Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your account for Sweatcoin. So the first thing to do is to launch Open Sweatcoin application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. Once you end up in the main home page after logging in, tap on your profile picture or your initial at the top left hand corner. Now, this will open up your insight. Simply go ahead and hit the gear icon at the top right, and this will open up the settings menu. Scroll all the way down until you see the delete account option. Tap on delete account and go through the information. On the next page, tap on contact us at the bottom and select delete account from the drop down. Enter a reason why you are deciding to leave and tap on send at the top right hand corner. Soon after you do that, your account will be deleted within 72 hours from you pressing the email link. Once you make the request, now you'll receive an email from Sweatcoin. Open the email that you received and then tap on the link provided in order to confirm that you would like to delete the account. Select the web browser to continue, and you have now successfully scheduled your account to deletion. It'll now take 48 hours for you to permanently delete your account. If you want to cancel the deletion request, you can simply tap on this cancel my deletion request option. So that is how you can easily delete your Sweatcoin account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.